What do you want? Do you want some Dreame robot vacuum cleaners? Oh.
The Dreame Matrix10 Pro solves a problem that no other manufacturer has even really attempted to do. This thing can actually swap between 3 completely different mop types depending on the room it's going to go clean. Like the kitchen, the bathroom, living room, it automatically goes back to the docking station here, changes the mop pads itself, and keeps going. Yeah, they're all inside here, right here. And you know what? Once you actually see it happen in real life, it feels less like a robot vacuum and more like a cleaning system that's actually intelligently thinking about what kind of surface it's going to go clean. It can even switch between 3 different customized cleaning solutions. And that's all in here too. I'll show you, don't worry. And it will change that solution depending on what type of floor surface it's going to go out and clean. Now, I think we are officially living in the future with the Dreame Matrix10 Pro. In this video, I'm testing this machine, this robot, this futuristic device, the Dreame Matrix10 Pro, in my house here on tile, bedroom carpets with dog hair, kitchen stains, furniture, and the real world stuff that usually actually exposes the weaknesses of a lot of other robot vacuum cleaners pretty fast. But first, let's unbox it and see what's inside. And inside is literally everything you need to get up and running quickly, including the charging cable, instruction manuals, 3 different mop pads, 3 different specialized cleaning solutions, the robot vacuum itself, and this beautiful base station that is definitely on the larger side, but this thing is doing a lot of real robotic stuff on the inside, so I'm not even mad about the size. Besides, it's beautiful, elegant, stylish. Have I sold it? Okay, anyway, I found a nice little spot here in my kitchen for it. I got it all plugged in and connected to the Dreame mobile app. I also filled the 3 compartments with the appropriate cleaning solution, and it was all color-coded, so very easy. Because this thing will intelligently know which one to fill the robot vacuum itself with before going out to do the specific cleaning that you've assigned it to do. Now, overall, the unboxing and setup took me about 15 minutes and I was completely in business. I'd say 9 out of 10 for setup. But before I show you the full demonstration of what this thing can do, here are the biggest features that immediately grabbed my attention with the Dreame Matrix10 Pro. This is the world's first smart multi-mop switching system. 3 different pads for different rooms. The HyperStream DuoBrush system designed for 0 hair tangles, the 212 degrees Fahrenheit hot water mop self-cleaning, the automatic pet odor and wood floor solution dispensing, the 40 centimeter obstacle climbing, the AI obstacle avoidance with recognition of 280 object types. And that's just the main standout features of this robotic vacuum cleaner and mop. It's not just trying to vacuum harder, it's trying to clean differently depending on the room that you're sending it to go clean, or even the type of mess that you're going to have it go clean. So let's start with the feature that makes this Matrix10 Pro different from basically every other robot vacuum I've ever tested here on the Manshed channel, the Multi-Mop switching dock. You see, most robot vacuums use one mop style for the entire house and just drag it everywhere. Just this is all you get. Kitchen grease, bathroom moisture, wood floors, doesn't matter. Same mop. The Matrix 10 Pro actually stores 3 separate mop types inside the dock here and automatically switches between them based on the room type, the floor type, the mess type. It knows what type. For kitchens, it uses a nylon scrubbing mop pad designed for grease and tougher messes that usually are found in the kitchen. For bathrooms, it switches to a sponge mop pad that absorbs excess moisture better and helps reduce bacteria buildup. Then for normal areas like living rooms or hallways, it uses thermal mop pads designed to maintain warmth during mopping for better cleaning performance. And this is the first time I've tested a robot vacuum where I could actually watch it return to the dock, swap mop pads automatically, and then head back out to clean a completely different room or floor type all on its own. Did not have to intervene once. And I gotta say, that part right there genuinely feels futuristic. Like, are we living in the Jetsons age yet or not? Once the mop gets dirty, it just spreads that mess everywhere else. But here the Matrix 10 Pro uses the appropriate scrubbing pads, and the dock cleaned those pads afterwards using 112 degrees Fahrenheit hot water self-cleaning systems inside. That's a huge difference compared to normal lukewarm mop washing systems that other robot mops use. And you can actually see the pads come back looking noticeably cleaner after the wash cycle is done.
So what's really cool here is that the stain that it just picked up there, it sensed it, it came out, did a thorough deep cleaning on the stain, and then it went back, it cleaned the mop pads, and then came back out and resumed its regular cleaning. So it recognized that red stain on the floor, did a thorough clean, and then went back. That's a lab feature that they're coming out with, but it's pretty cool because it literally recognized the stain, went hard on the stain, and then came back out after washing the pads and kept going.
But now let's talk about suction power. This thing has an impressive 30,000 pascals of suction, which is seriously aggressive for a robot vacuum. But what I noticed was how consistently it picked up to the debris. I ran it through the bedroom where my dog's hairs tend to collect along the carpet area, the walkway area, around the bed here. It just gets collected. And I exaggerated it just to put it to the test. And the HyperStream Detangling DuoBrush system really did handle it very well. See for yourself. Because one brush is actually designed more for hard floors and floor gaps. The other is optimized for carpet pickup just like we have here. I didn't have to stop halfway through cleaning and detangle all the hair out of the roller like I've had to with others.
Okay, I just paused it after sucking up all that dog hair. And as you can see right here, there's absolutely no dog hair wrapped up in there. There's a little protein powder from my test earlier in there, but not a big deal. But there's definitely no dog hair tangled on these brushes. Oh, you came to bring more dog hair in? Okay, thanks. No dog hair. That's pretty cool. Usually other robot vacuums would have had dog hair wrapped up around there and go in there and cut it out. All right, you can get back to work.
The carpet handling is really smart too. The Matrix 10 Pro can automatically lift or remove the mop pads around carpeted areas, boost the suction power when it detects carpet, and even run a slower double pass intensive carpet cleaning mode for deeper cleaning. Because as you saw here, I dumped a lot of debris on this carpet to really exaggerate a bad situation.
Now I paused it for a second here because I was going to do an epic time lapse for you guys, but these chunks right here, it's actually detecting those as something it should not vacuum up, aka something that this pooch has never done inside the house, but maybe your pooch has. And yeah, basically dog poop is what it's detecting it as based on my observation in the app. So that's interesting. Obviously, this is abnormal clumps of dirt and hair that I put on here for testing purposes, trying to demonstrate these two little cute babies. And that's a good thing. It means that it will detect dog poop and not vacuum over it if you have that setting turned on in the app. I'm going to turn it off now so it will vacuum these up because I want to see if it's going to pull up these chunks.
Another thing I really like is the EasyLeap system. This robot can climb over thresholds and tracks up to 40 millimeters on double layer steps and 22 millimeters on single layer obstacles. And it handled them pretty well. It's pretty impressive how it just kind of throws himself over there. That may not sound really exciting until you own robot vacuums that constantly get stuck on those stubborn transition strips or sliding door tracks like you might have in your house. And because it uses extra support wheels to climb over obstacles, it looks a lot smoother doing it than I thought it actually would. Now, obstacle avoidance is also really solid with this device. The Matrix10 Pro combines AI cameras, 3D structured light, and LED illumination to recognize over 280 different types of objects and even take pictures of them for you so you know what it saw. Because it found charging cables, dog toys, graduation pictures of my niece on the floor. Why is that on the floor? Or just random stuff underneath the table. Those are usually the things that turn a robot cleaning session into a rescue mission. And you guys all know what the rescue mission looks like. This one really navigated around furniture and clutter surprisingly well, and not just bumping and slamming into things, it really saw them and maneuvered around them. And the dock itself is almost more impressive than the robot vacuum itself. Auto emptying up to 100 days, hot air drying, automatic water refilling, 3 cleaning solution compartments inside like I showed you, that self-cleaning washboard system. It's basically trying to remove every annoying maintenance step people like yourself or myself normally hate dealing with robot vacuum cleaners. Because at the end of the day, the best robot vacuum isn't the one with the craziest specs. It's the one you barely have to think about. In fact, the only thing I really have to do with this is dump out the dirty water and fill it up with new clean water. But those tanks are massive. You should still always empty the dirty water. The Dreame Matrix10 Pro really is the best robot vacuum cleaner that I've ever reviewed on this channel. This really doesn't just feel like a robot vacuum and mop, but more like a fully automated floor cleaning system that adapts to different rooms automatically. Different mop types, different cleaning solutions, smart obstacle handling, strong suction, way less maintenance for you guys, and it's one of the most advanced cleaning systems that I've ever used. And that's not just hype, that's real. This thing was truly impressive. And I think this multi-mop approach is probably where high-end robot vacuums should be heading. Now, are there any cons to this? Well, overall, the performance was incredibly impressive. Dreame does make some other lines like the L60 Ultra that I just reviewed here on the channel as well, that are gonna give you a lot of those same features at a slightly lesser price point, but it won't have the 3-compartment solution or the 3 different mop pads. And honestly, I think that's totally worth the price tag. The other thing that I might slightly be concerned about is because there are some moving parts inside here, even though they do seem to be designed extremely well. Only time will tell if over time those parts wear down or we have any problems with them. Fortunately, Dreame has amazing warranty and service. So again, not worried there, just something you should consider. The one last thing I'll add is that your friends might come over and think that there's a drink fridge inside here, but no, just a robot vacuum and mop. And you know what? You'll have more time to spend having some beverages with your friends because you're not babysitting a robot vacuum and mop anymore. Links are in the description below. Go check those out. I appreciate you guys supporting the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video.